Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. This is useful if you recorded a duplicate payment or applied a payment to the wrong customer. Before deleting anything, remember that deleting a payment removes it from your books. It can affect customer balances, open invoices, reports, and bank reconciliation. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click All Apps. Then select Customers Hub, then select Customers. Find the customer connected to the payment you want to delete. Click the customer's name to open their profile. In the customer transaction list, look for the payment you want to remove. Check the date, amount, and invoice details to make sure you are deleting the correct payment. Once you find the payment, click the drop-down arrow or action menu beside it. Select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. If you are sure, confirm the deletion. The payment will be removed from QuickBooks. If that payment was applied to an invoice, the invoice may become open or partially unpaid again. After deleting the payment, review the customer balance to make sure it looks correct. If the payment was already matched or reconciled in your bank feed, check your bank transactions and reconciliation afterward. And that's how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online in 2026.